In this video, I explain what infinity means, and why it plays an important role in many areas of mathematics and philosophy. You will learn how to imagine the infinite, and how it is used in different contexts. Infinity refers to something that has no limit or end. In mathematics, infinity is a concept used to describe numbers or sets that are infinitely large or infinitely small. It is important to understand that infinity cannot be treated like a normal number. It is often represented by the symbol infinity. In mathematics, infinity is often used to describe the size of sets. For example, there are infinitely many numbers, and also the number of points on a line is infinite. There are different types of infinity that vary depending on the situation. One example is the infinity of natural numbers. In philosophy, infinity is often used to describe the universe or time. Many philosophers have asked whether something infinite exists, or if the universe has an end. Here, infinity is not only studied as a mathematical concept, but also as a deeper idea. It raises questions about the nature of being and the universe. Infinite numbers are numbers that are so large that they have no end. In mathematics, this idea is often used to show that there are always larger numbers, no matter how far one counts. However, these numbers are not part of the normal number system. They are abstract concepts used in special areas of mathematics. Although infinity is an abstract concept, we encounter it in everyday life as well. For example, we sometimes think about the infinite expanse of space, or infinite periods of time. The idea that there are infinitely many possibilities is also an example of infinity. These thoughts show how our life is influenced by the concept of infinity. Infinite series are a series of numbers that go on forever, without reaching an end. A well-known example is the infinite series of fractions that continue by addition. In mathematics, one studies how such series can still reach a finite value. This leads to important concepts like the formation of limits. The universe is often considered infinitely large, although we have not fully explored it yet. In astronomy, there are theories that assume space has no edge, and continues forever. This idea raises many questions about the nature of the universe. Scientists continue to research to learn more about the expansion and the end of the universe. The idea of infinite time means that time continues forever, without ever finding an end. Many cultures have different views on whether time is finite or infinite. Some philosophies believe in an eternal cycle of time, while others assume a finite duration of time. Physics also has theories that study the infinity of time. A paradox of infinity is that we cannot really imagine something infinite. Although we understand the concept, it is difficult to imagine how something can be infinite. This leads to many exciting thoughts and puzzles in philosophy and mathematics. Such paradoxes help us think about the limits of our understanding.